this video, I'll take you through the set of instructions of how to send the messages via UI in the Hello Contact Center. So we'll begin by logging in into our Message 91 account. Once after logging in into our Message 91 account, it will guide us to the dashboard. We'll navigate by clicking on the microservice Hello. In the Hello microservice, we'll have to click on the button Compose. In the Compose, it will pop up like this. Now for sending WhatsApp message, we'll have to click on the WhatsApp icon down here. We'll pick the recipient number, ensuring the country code should be included there. Now I'm writing the number here on which I want to send the message. For your better understanding, here the number will be selected automatically, which is integrated. If there are many numbers integrated, you can select any number from whichever you want to send the message. Now you can select the template and language. Then you'll have to write the header. A preview will be shown here. Now we'll click on the send button for dispatching the message. You can see that the message is dispatched now. Now the session will be started after you will receive the message from the same number. You can see that the message is delivered. Thank you.